Today I'm going to be installing the VanEssential rear door storage pouches. Pretty well built looking. They've got two pretty good sized pockets at the bottom and then a real large mesh pouch up top. Got some cinch straps to help secure whatever you're hauling. Pretty easy install. They've got some included sheet metal screws that go around the perimeter. There's no holes marked. You could use riv nuts and some regular machine screws as well if you wanted to, or you could go back and do that later if the sheet metal screws gave you any trouble or stripped out. I'm going to be pre-drilling and then I'm going to melt the holes back a little bit with a soldering iron to keep them holes clean from fraying, and let's get started. I've got the holes drilled with a 3/32 drill bit, which is what the instructions call for. And I've got a screw at 6 o'clock and a screw at 12 o'clock to hold it in. I'm going to use a portable soldering iron to open up the holes a little bit and keep them from fraying. The Cordura kind of fabrics can fray if you don't. It's probably unnecessary, but that's how I'm going to do it. I've got the holes cleaned up a bit. I don't know how well you can see that. Yeah, I burned it with a soldering iron a bit to keep it from fraying. The bottom one had already started fraying just from the drill bit, so I've done all the holes around the edge. Now all I have to do is drill the door and get this guy bolted up. I've got the first side installed here. It's a very nice fit with the window opening, or where your window would be. Cargo vans with no windows. Also notice it's got a nice strong strap across the top here that's sewn in several spots so you could hang anything off of it, carabiners or clothing, whatever. It's pretty slick. So the big pouches and the biggest mesh pouch here in the front, and that's that. The right side will be the same as the left. I'll go ahead and film the process and just speed it up. The included screws, again, they call for a 3/32 drill bit here, and it's just a Torx head sheet metal screw. Seem to hold it in real securely, so I probably will not have to go back and put riv nuts and machine screws in here. But hope you enjoy the process. I'm going to be installing the VanEssential bug screens as well, so subscribe to the channel and drop back by. Have a good one. About finishes them up. Took about 45 minutes. They look very nice. It's a good way to close out this door panel when you don't have windows. I've seen another brand or two making these, and they're 3 or 4 times the price. So I'm pretty pleased for what I paid and what I got, and it saves me from having to trim out this area and adds a little bit of random storage as well. So pretty good. If you want to check out the rest of the build, I've got videos for everything else. I'm just about finished up on the interior and just slowly working my way through.